Hey, Freeman here with a Freeman's Garage Extra video for you. I actually just finished filming a video over on the Freeman's Garage channel, the regular Freeman's Garage channel, where I worked on getting this 1952 International L120 pickup truck running. It's got a 220 cubic inch silver diamond straight 6 in it. And yeah, I'm gonna pull this out of the building and I'm gonna spray years of dust off of this. It's not a full cleaning, but I'm gonna spray it all off and see if we get any deep dark red color coming out underneath all this dust. I just thought you'd like to see it, so we're gonna hang out while you're gonna watch. You're my buddy standing in the driveway and you're gonna watch me spray my truck off with the hose. That's what's going on here. Let's put some air in the tires and then we'll fire up a diesel tractor, pull this truck out and spray it off. That's the first time I fired up the Zebra 3520 today, so I'm going to let that warm up for a few minutes, and then we'll pull the 52 International out, spray it off, and we'll see how cool it looks when all the dust comes off and the color starts popping through. Got to be careful rolling the rear tires into the doorway because there's no brakes on the tractor. I don't want to roll right into the front of the International. I just flipped the hook around. I like it better this way. I actually kind of don't like this hole at all, but we'll just go very easy. There's air in all the tires, so the truck should roll good. And if I see this starting to bend or anything, we'll stop immediately. Alright, good. This chain's long enough so I don't have to come further into the door. Oh yeah, that's rolling easy like Sunday morning. And this looks great, so we'll leave that the way it is. We'll just turn the tires to the left a little bit. Make sure you watch that video on Freeman's Garage of trying to get the silver diamond engine in this running. And there's gonna be a lot of videos on Freeman's Garage with this truck. It's gonna be a daily driver. It's gonna be put to work too. It's got a dump bed and everything on it. It's friggin' sweet, man. I don't know when you're gonna see this extra video. There could already be a bunch of work and travel road trip videos with this truck in Freeman's Garage. Not sure, but just please subscribe to Freeman's Garage and Freeman's Garage Extra if you want to support what's going on here. It really does help a lot when you do those kinds of things. And I'm going to turn them just a little bit more, and then we'll roll this thing out of here. And you might be thinking, well, he probably didn't get it running if he's pulling it out with a tractor. I'll just let the cat out of the bag. I got it running over on Freeman's Garage. But driving it, being able to drive it out of the building, a little bit different situation at the momento, but everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Let's pull this thing out and let's see the red shine out from underneath this dirt. Does this thing look sweet or what? Whoops, slipped and fell in love. Oh hey, a nut. Guy can always use that. Throw that in the coffee can. This is one of the coolest looking trucks ever. 8.5 foot bed. I gotta get all this junk out real quick and toss it on the floor in the building, and then we'll spray it off. I'm sorry, did I get you wet? Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. Well, that's fun. Too bad it's gonna look dull as soon as it starts drying, but it's pretty cool. We could possibly get it looking like this and have it stay looking like this if we do some paint treatment. And I don't know, I haven't determined what's, you know, might be factory paint or if somebody's resprayed. Looks like maybe there's Omaha orange under or over this red. No clue. We haven't even touched the surface of this truck on exploring what its history is and exactly what kind of shape the paint and everything is in. You can see how it's getting dull when it dries. It's pretty cool though, isn't it? Here's what you do. Craigslist pictures, 50 grand. Like, comment, subscribe.